Mmm. Mmm. Okay, let's get into this video because this is some cooking video. One of his favorite meals, and that's what the title say, boudin balls. I have boudin that's already made. Okay, I have some seasons here just to season up the boudin a little bit extra my way. I have some flour here, some egg, beaten, I think these 4 eggs. Beaten eggs, and as I go, you'll know what all the ingredients are for. I have some breadcrumbs here, and I have some crushed hot cheetos. So let's get with it, because first thing we have to do is get this boudin out of this casing. Anyway, okay, let's get it out. Because you just want the filling. You have to get this out of here. Unless you're not going to make no balls. You're not going to be able to make no balls, baby. Smell good. I'm going to add some season. Add some slap your mama. So this is crushed. Oh, y'all about to see crushed red pepper. And this is that barbecue season rub. And we're just going to mix this up. Let's do it. So y'all, we're going to make these Cheeto balls and get it done. So, boudin, flour, that flour off, egg wash, shake all that off, drop it in there, perfect, and then scoop, hot Cheeto balls, just for you, yes. Okay, y'all, it's hot. We're gonna put 3 at a time. What that funny looking? Oh, here we go. Oh, y'all, I think they done. They look a little brown. Okay. Y'all, here's the Cheeto boudin balls. There you go, you guys. I am done. I'm giving you how you make it. And this is like a Cajun sauce I made, and I'm also melting some cheese. So yummy. Yummy for my tummy. There you go. Have some. Dip it in the sauce, baby. Dip it, yes. 4, there you go. I know it's a little, hopefully it's doing this justice of looking yummy.